If you are a YouTube creator, then this video will definitely be helpful for you. How do you upload your videos? Do you upload it on YouTube or Chrome? Which one is the right procedure to upload your videos? The new YouTuber may not be knowing this trick. Don't worry, I will tell you. Most of the creators upload their videos on the YouTube app directly. This way is very easy, but it's not useful and effective for your videos. You must upload videos in Chrome. I will tell you the reason. Your thumbnail quality decreases if you upload videos through the YouTube app. Many creators face this problem. After uploading the thumbnail, the quality decreases, so stop uploading in the YouTube app and start uploading in Chrome. You will get the 99% best results if you upload your thumbnail by Chrome, so try it now and tell me the results. Secondly, Chrome provides you many options. I will show you how. Open your YouTube Studio in Chrome. Select one of your videos that is ready to upload. Now I will show you the difference between uploading in Chrome and uploading on YouTube. Chrome provides you with a lot of options. As you can see on YouTube, there are limited options. You cannot add tags if you upload your videos through the YouTube app, and this affects your videos. Some creators upload their videos in the YouTube app, and after uploading, they will edit the video and complete the process of adding tags after uploading, but it's totally wrong. You need to add tags while the video is uploading, so if you upload in Chrome, it provides you many options, as well as adding tags while uploading. Basically, it provides you the option which is necessary for SEO, like title tags and description. You can also add end screen, iCards and subtitles while the video is uploaded. And if you don't know how to open YouTube Studio in Chrome, then follow me. Open your Chrome app, then search for YouTube, and after entering into YouTube, in Chrome switch to desktop mode. By switching to desktop mode, your YouTube will open like a laptop screen, and now click on the logo, which is at the right top corner. Now press and hold on the YouTube Studio option. After that, click on Open in a new tab in the group. A new tab will open below, then switch to that, and here it is. We have reached your YouTube Studio in the Chrome application. After opening the YouTube Studio, you can upload videos by clicking on the Create option, which is in the top right corner. After that, start uploading your videos. So after that, listen carefully. After completion of uploading, then directly. Don't make the video public first, make it unlisted so that you can do SEO properly using VidIQ app. If you don't know how to do SEO, then check my recent video. I have given the complete tutorial on how to do best SEO. The video link will be in description, so check it once. So after completion of SEO, then make the video public for viewers. So this is the process that you can follow for getting more views, and also this is the right process. Personally, I was also uploading videos in the YouTube app unknowingly. But after that, I started uploading videos in Chrome, and the results are best. I have been getting the best thumbnail upload quality and best impressions for my videos. And guys, if you are doing this procedure, then stop it and start uploading videos in Chrome. Trust me, it will give you the best results. Give it a try. If you guys have liked the video, then please do subscribe to the channel and join hands with me. And do share this video with future content creators. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.